Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the new life cycle Plasmodium vivax, that is the malarial parasites. Plasmodium vivax. Four species of the Plasmodium: Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, Plasmodium falciparum. This is the four species of the malarial parasites. Plasmodium vivax. Classification of Plasmodium vivax. Phylum Protozoa. Class Tylosporia. Order Eucoxida. Family Plasmodidae. Genus Plasmodium. Genus Family Plasmodidae. Genus Plasmodium. Species Plasmodium vivax. Geographical distribution. Malarial parasites are found in all countries. Malarial parasites are found in the all countries, extending from 40 degrees centigrade south to 60 degrees centigrade north region. The tropical zone is the endemic home of all malarial parasites, which Plasmodium malariae is a parasite of subtropical zone. Plasmodium vivax is the prevailing species of the temperate zone. The distribution of Plasmodium ovale has mainly been reported from East Africa, West Africa, especially Nigeria and Philippines also. Habitat. The malarial parasites infecting man after passing through a developmental phase in parenchyma cells of the liver resides inside the red blood corpuscles and are carried by the circulating blood to all the organs. Life cycle. The malarial parasite passes its life cycle in two different hosts. One is definitive host and one is intermediate host. Definitive host is man. In man life cycle, the malarial parasites residing inside the live cells and the red blood corpuscles inside the liver cells and the red blood corpuscles reproduces by sexual method, schizogony. Hence, man represents the intermediate host of the malarial parasite. Malarial parasite. Malarial parasites. In female Anopheles mosquito. In female Anopheles mosquito. Is this the intermediate host? For initiation, mosquito cycle sexual forma. Male and female gametes are first developed inside the human host. These are then transferred to their insect host. They develop further and are transferred into sporozoites. These sporozoites are infective to man on account of the sexual method of reproduction. Mosquitoes represents the definitive host of the malarial parasites. Human cycle. Human cycle starts with the introduction of sporozoites by the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. It comprises the following stages. Plasmodium is the causative agent of malaria. Plasmodium is the causative agent of malaria. These are 60 species. 60 species of Plasmodium, of which only 4 occurs in human beings. Total 60 species, but 4 species are in the human being. Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae, and Plasmodium falciparum. These 4 species of Plasmodium to causing the malaria disease. The parasites is digenetic, that is with 2 hosts, human beings and females of mosquito. Anopheles, female Anopheles is biologically the primary host as sexual reproduction occurs in it. Human beings is biologically secondary host. Monkey is the reserve host. Infective stage of is sporozoite. Sporozoite is sickle shaped with apical cap at one end, probably for producing lighting materials for passing into host cells. The size is 6 to 12 micrometer in length and 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in breadth. There is a thin cuticle or pellicle on the outside. Nucleus is single and central. Sporozoite shows gliding and twisting movements. Life cycle of Plasmodium has 3 phases: schizogony, gamogony, and sporogony. When a female Anopheles containing sporozoite stage of Plasmodium in her salivary glands bites a man, the sporozoites are released into the bloodstream of human being. After 3 days of entrance, these sporozoites starts dividing in the parenchyma cells of the liver and attain schizont stage. Now these schizonts attack the RBC and get changed into tropozoites. Now tropozoites of each RBC attain schizogony stage and divide into 6 to 36 daughters merozoites due to the high pressure RBCs ruptures and release the merozoites. Attach the other RBC. After 10 days, the numbers of parasites become large and they produce toxins which cause fever in man. After schizogony, some merozoites attain gametocyte stage and remains in the human blood without any further development. If perchance any female Anopheles bites the bites the persons containing gametocytes. The gametocytes becomes macrogamete known as female gametes. The macrogametocyte forms 6 to 8 microgametes. It is notable that if any stage other than gametocyte is sucked by the mosquito, it gets digested in the gut of the mosquito and there is no chance for further infection. After fusion, the zygote is formed in the stomach of the mosquito, which by penetrating the gut wall reach outside the gut and gets converted into oocyst. After 1 week, the oocyst is changed into the sporozoites, which go to the salivary glands of the female mosquito and are transferred to the body of the man by the bite of the mosquito, and thus completes its life cycle in man and the next is mosquito life cycles. Okay, student, thank you. Remaining part to be continue in next period.